Hello, my little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well at home. So, it's time to practice in our drawing file. Since very long we have not done work in our drawing file. So, children, as you all know, it's Diwali festival is about to come. So, what I have decided for you that you will draw today Diya with me. Alright? So you will open the drawing file and mention here at the left hand side date, in the center heading Diya and the classwork. Okay, so now with few easy steps I will tell you that how you will draw a very beautiful Diya. So with the help of this protector you can draw a curve. You can take the bangle also. Okay, so with the help of this you will put it at the center of the page, and then what you can do, this corner and through this corner you will join these two corners like this. See how I am doing? Okay, see here I have drawn this lower part, a semicircle type, and then what you will do, you will join these two dots through a sleeping line. So this one is the sleeping line. Here you can see. So with the help of scale or with the help of protector also, you will draw one sleeping line like this. See here, it is drawn. So two steps we have done. So this is half semicircle. Now we need to draw two more sleeping lines. One here, from here like this, through this end to this end. Okay, so draw it, and then you will draw here at the bottom 1 and 2. Let's draw. Put it in the straight way like this. Okay, so 3 sleeping lines we have drawn. Okay, now what we will do, we will decorate our diya with some curves. So start from this end and make a U-type curve like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So in this way you will draw curves like this at proper equal distances. Now come here at the bottom. Here you can draw circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, according to the space you will draw. So here the 4 steps we have done. Now we will make a lid over here. So make like this a curve, one more, another downward curve, and here you will make small lines like this. So here in few easy steps we have drawn our beautiful diya. Number 1, you will draw semicircle, sleeping lines, then you will draw curves, and then you will draw circles, and then the upper part. Through it gives light. Alright, now with the help of your crayons you will do coloring in this. So let's take out the crayons. So see children, here I have taken the red color crayon. Now I will fill color in this portion. Start from the upper side and color it like this. Alright, complete it like this. Make sure your color does not go outside. Okay, fill it properly, no white space should be left out. Like this. Now here it is done. Now we will take another color. The yellow one we can take. We will color yellow color here in the light. Fill it completely like this. Start from the corners and fill the inner part like this. Now we can do this blue color over here. We are decorating our diya, so we can use colors according to our choice. in this. Do not color in circles, color in the remaining part. Now color it properly. See, here I have colored it completely. Alright, now here you can do another color. I am using this purple color. Okay, color it nicely. So the purple color is done. Now we will do this skin color in the inside part. Okay, like this. First do the corner side. Color it very nicely like this. Now fill the complete part. Like this. So now we will do this red color in the circles. Okay, like this. Color it very nicely. Okay, so here our diya is finished. One more thing you can do here. You can do orange color over these lines like this. Alright, one more thing children you can do. If you want to do outline, then you can do outline, okay, with red with black color marker. Okay, so here our diya is finished. I hope so you will draw this diya very beautifully, okay, and color it very nicely. That's all about your art file work. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you.